The pinnacle of my career. Slut Dragon and Rick and Morty. I spend endless boring hours in hotel rooms trying to learn other people's words to try and make them believable and hiding behind a character, and I love that process. I've never been enamoured when people ask me what do you do and they didn't see any of my work, and I always through gritted teeth tell them I'm an actor, because it's sort of embarrassing, and I've been doing this 30 years and I don't find it any less embarrassing than when I started. And it's not false modesty or anything like that, because I love acting. I love the process of acting. I love the problem solving. I love the collaboration. The idea of sitting down with directors and your fellow actors and writers and whoever it may be, and sitting down and go, what do you think of this? And my style of acting is whoever's got the best idea in the room wins, and it's frequently not me. The collaboration is joyful. It's so many brains working on a particular problem, whether it's a scene that's not working or some words that don't flow or seem. The method acting thing, if it works for a job, I'd be more than happy to try it. I just have never come across a job where I found it in any way useful. At its worst, method acting is incredibly selfish, and it's just narcissism where there's a lot of that. Method acting is a method, right? It's a device for doing things. Listen, it's the same in anything. There's 80% of what people do is either mediocre or mundane or whatever it may be, and we all chase the 10%. But the method thing, I think it's a lot of narcissism. It's up its own sphincter.